Alright guys, so basically what I've got is I've got a check engine light on. It's got an Evap large leak. Gas cap light's being thrown on. Replace the gas cap and everything else, and nothing's been seeming to work. I got on a couple of different forums and I found that there's a valve. You can see it right there that's broken off on this hose right here. Only way to replace this valve right here is what I'm finding out is if you got to replace a whole gas tank. Well, I think I've come up with a solution. Get a fuel pump connector, plastic tubing, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out that hole in the valve and see what happens. You got nothing else to lose. Alright, let's see what happens. And it's going in there, but let me just drill it out some more. Some people recommend to drop the gas tank. I'm not doing all that. Alright, let's see what happens. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. And I went and got my air gun. Blow the stuff out real quick. Let's see. Alright. And then what I'll do is I'll put some JB plastic weld around there. I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter though, and actually, and then I'm gonna plug this into the connector, and hopefully we'll keep the engine light off.